Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to log in ChatGPT with Google account. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Now in the internet browser, you are going to search for ChatGPT login. Once you're here, you're going to click on the first link that appears over at your searches. It is chat.openai.com. Now tap on it. In here, let's try to log in. Tap on the button that says log in. In here, there's an option that says continue with Google. This one over here, just tap on it. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, choose the Gmail account that you want to use in going to chat.openai.com. In here, you will see the capabilities and limitations of the AI. And that's it. You already logged into chat.openai.com using your Gmail account. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.